6 and I can walk just fine.
Oh yeah.
That's
So
key.
Dirk coming home from a bar having good fun. This is the only way to go when you got this much snow, man. You
Skiing
gotta do
in,
what you gotta do.
skiing in Toronto.
Yeah, this is Canada. Welcome to Canada, people. You come from the airport, do me a favor.
The airport.
Get a couple of skis.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. Are you for real?
Of course I'm for real. Oh man.
Does he look like he's fucking around?
Oh yeah, it's fantastic, man. Well, you gotta get up in 2 hours from now and shovel snow. But you know what the hardest part is?
Getting up in
Tell
2
you
hours.
Right now.
Or that too.
I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you right now.
Tell me.
Faster than you shovel the sidewalk. I gotta fucking walk. Where's the fucking snow?
Yeah, fuck this asshole.
Fucking asshole. Look at this. Look at this. You're walking a fucking clean sidewalk. I'm busting my balls trying to get home. Here. You there? Oh yeah. Yeah, room. Yeah, let's go around it.
Yeah.
There you
Let's
go.
go fucking around it.
Okay.
What the hell with these fucking people? Okay.